Bullish SOL cost expectation for 2023 is $27.02 to $48.65. Solana, SOL cost could likewise reach $50 soon. Bearish SOL cost expectation for 2023 is $9.41. In Solana, SOL cost forecast 2023, we use measurements cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about SOL to dissect the future development of the cryptographic money. What is Solana, SOL? The crypto coin, Solana, SOL, runs on a free and adaptable blockchain with quicker exchange rates. The blockchain's usefulness depends on a crossover agreement model that consolidates evidence of stake (POS) and confirmation of history (PO). This cross-breed model empowers Solana to approve its blocks quicker with precise timestamps. Solana, SOL, was sent off in spring 2020. Solana organization expects to grow its functionalities by facilitating a few dApps in the DeFi and furthermore reforming the NFT commercial center. Solana-based NFTs are picking up certain speed and are bound to be liked over Ethereum NFTs. Solana, SOL, value forecast 2023. Solana stands firm on the 13th foothold on CoinGecko at this moment. SOL cost expectation 2023 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time period. The above graph of Solana, SOL, spread out the plummeting channel design. Slipping channel, otherwise called the falling channel. A slipping channel is shaped by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the quality of a negative market. Presently, Solana, SOL, is in the scope of $22.62. Assuming the example proceeds, the cost of SOL could arrive at the obstruction levels of $23.40 and $27. On the off chance that the pattern turns around, the cost of SOL might tumble to $21.44. Solana, SOL, backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Solana, SOL. From the above everyday time span, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels of Solana, SOL. The graphs show that Solana has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, SOL could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $48.65. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Solana could plunge to nearly $9.41, a negative sign. Solana, SOL, value expectation 2023 RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Solana is displayed in the outline beneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of SOL lies underneath the N line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, MAMA, of Solana is displayed in the outline above. Prominently, Solana cost lies under 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is on a descending pattern. Presently, Solana has entered a negative state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Solana whenever. In the interim, the overall strength list, RSI, of the Solana is 48.61. This implies that Solana is in an oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of Solana might happen in the impending days. In this way, dealers need to painstakingly exchange Solana, SOL, value forecast 2023 ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file, ADX of Solana. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings, utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of Solana, SOL. Presently, the ADX of SOL lies in the scope of 15.93, and consequently, it shows a feeble pattern. The above outline additionally addresses the overall unpredictability list, RVI, of Solana, SOL. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of SOL lies under 50, demonstrating low instability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Solana, SOL, is at 48.61. Consequently affirming a potential purchase signal. Examination of SOL with BTC, F. The beneath outline shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, SOL. From the above graph, we can decipher that the cost activities SOL is a comparable pattern as for BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH expands, the cost of SOL increments. Furthermore, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of SOL diminishes. Solana, SOL, value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various elements are considered while determining costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparable coins. How about we foresee the cost of Solana, SOL, somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Solana, SOL, value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy, and the pattern switches, Solana, SOL, could likely achieve $65 by 2024. Solana, SOL, value forecast 2025 with a few updates in the organization, Solana, SOL, could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, SOL could revitalize to hit $75 by 2025. Solana, SOL, value expectation 2026. If Solana, SOL, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, SOL would revitalize to hit $85. Solana, SOL, value expectation 2027. If Solana, SOL, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, SOL would revitalize to hit $95. Solana, SOL, value expectation 2028. If Solana, SOL, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, SOL would energize to hit $105. Solana, SOL, value expectation 2029. Solana, SOL, holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years, in the midst of the patterns and the profoundly unstable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, SOL would hit $115 in 2029. Solana, SOL, value forecast 2030. On the off chance that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Solana, SOL, it would observe significant spikes. SOL could hit $125 by 2030. And, with constant enhancements in the Solana organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for SOL. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Solana, SOL, in 2023 is $48.65. Then again, the negative value expectation of Solana, SOL, for 2023 is $9.41. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the Solana environment, the exhibition of SOL would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high, of $259.96 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $50, assuming the financial backers accept that SOL is a wise interest in 2023. 1. What is Solana, SOL? Solana, SOL, is the local crypto coin of Solana. Solana runs on a versatile blockchain that runs with a crossover agreement model that coordinates verification of stake (POS) and evidence of history (PO). SOL was sent off in WAC 2020. 2.